Hi, I'm Elizabeth Caldwell, and I want to talk to you about retention of learning. As teachers, we all want our students to retain what we're learning. And so part of that is understanding what the primacy regency effect is. It tells us basically that at the very first part of the lesson and the very end are the two portions that students learn the most, remember the most. So within one lesson, we have the beginning prime time, then some downtime, and then prime time 2 or at the top. So what should we do with that information? First of all, at the beginning of our lesson, we should be doing things to engage the students, get them connecting to their prior knowledge, telling them that objective, getting them going. In the middle, in the downtime, we should be practicing that concept of new learning that we had just instructed them with and talked and introduced them to. And then at the end of that portion, we should have closure. Students should be saying something, writing something, doing something, and those could even be used as a type of formative assessment, bringing them back to that learning. Another thing to notice is that the amount of downtime in a 20-minute session compared to a 40-minute session is a lot less. So another idea is to take your 40-minute session and cut it in half and have two 20-minute sessions in order to connect that learning and have less time where they are not remembering. So again, my name is Elizabeth Caldwell, and you can contact me at any time with any questions that you have.